uthola ukuthi I'm now a parent. Ngikuma early 20s.
Kwawena ucoka amabhamu.
Kwawo sithini indaba uyabona?
Yeah.
But if you look back, bazali bethu kudala, umama wombona ukuthi yabona ngumama lo.
But ke ngikongisiwe na Dube.
Nyalo.
Ngikongisiwe mina na Dube. Asiphinde sibiyele emva because you can't be a parent.
Okay.
Now you are in your early 20s or late 20s.
I'm a child.
Man, you are a child technically.
Now senginomunye umntwana futhi.
Yes. But the problem now is ukhule kanjani kwawe? Yabona.
Oh, okay.
So angiyibeki kanjani?
Okay.
The way mina lengikhule ngayo. There are things I can never do in public.
Okay. Okay.
The way lengikhule ngayo mina ngikhule ekhaya ngakhulisanga elivangeli. Yabona. Ngikhula ekhaya.
Faka abamfundisi.
So noma ngabe ngathiwa empilweni yami khona maybe into leti bheke eceleni efuna kudela.
Okay.
I can never do that in public because I know ukuthi indlela engifundiseke ngayo I can never do that.
Okay.
Umflo omtsala I know umflo omtsala. Ngeke nje ngento ini ubone abantu labadzala ngimlana sengibambene uyabona because the way lengakhuliseka ngayo. So it goes back lenza bayo ukuthi even umhana the way lengakhulisa umhana nami is the way lengikhuliseke ngayo because ngibonile ukuthi le formula iyasebenza. Ngila namhla I'm working. Ngingaka anginamphana anginani because ngikhonile ukutiphatha kahle because of the way lengifundiseke ngayo.
Ma kubhalwe ukuthi for children.
Na man, yathi sengingana khona yini. Icherry badlile lapho
Ibale
ngitali cetha ngale time.
Wena.
Nyalo sekufuna izicale bukabusha.
Eyifuni.
Ngifuna kanwe bengaki.
Soft life.
You
need to treat yourself. Be fresh.
Adi bari samgabi mbamba leche.
Man ngicela ukubuza.
Yebo.
Shithi wena olidla kumalithenga impuphu le ekhaya yini. Yakhe le mpuphu.
Yeah,
noma yabantwana.
Impuphu bayifanana.
Akafana phela, it's part of the grocery.
Idanone.
It's part of the grocery.
Idanone ngiyathi ukuthi ithengwa kanjani.
Ithengwa kanjani?
Ithengwa ngale mali sekuthiwa sekutena na 12 rand.
Hawu ungancela.
Hayi nongahle sibali sine sesidlala ma please.
Ngimalini please.
Hayi umhlelo wakho.
Wena Nutri-Day. Smooth and creamy.
Yeah, please man.
Smooth.
Man, please.
Angiyeke ngoba yokusalungisa.
Ushiye kanjani?
Angibeke la phansi. Ungaenjoy. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, brothers and sisters in Christ, welcome to the Blue Heart Podcast. We are back again. But ngangijabulisa ukuthi we are not back by popular demand, but we are back by production demand. Inkinga yenu, you don't like, you don't share, you don't subscribe. They don't comment. Please guys, please siyanicela as a plea. Like, share and please also subscribe. I'm your host today. My name is Thokozani Dube, aka Chores Makazi. As usual, this is part 2 of us guys. Angihambing yedwa. So long press DJ Mostro. But then I will give him this opportunity to actually introduce himself.
No. Ngibonge again Thokozani invite again. Njengoba bosongintroduce as DJ Mostro. Musa Dlamini, Finance Clerk Kanati. Yes, ngiyabonga nje for the opportunity namhla invite again.
I'm fresh ekuse. Phila kahle. Soft life.
Uyathina into lengayichaza ngenhlangano yini?
Kwasuka.
Man, ayikabi mfowethu. Angathi but wena nomusa yakula lapha. Hayi mfethu abakhona. Hayi nomfana abakhona nhlangano. Hayi abakhona mfowethu.
Uthi man,
abakhona. So uzongela uyabona ungithathela endlini nami ngibona. Funa ngihlele nje. So ngingayimisi straight ngoba
no, but you fresh. No, fresh. Fresh kites. So boy. Lafuna batshela ukuthi wena you are single and searching. Nayi opportunity. Thanks so much. Welcome to the Blood Podcast. And here, we are sharing inspiration, motivation, and encouragement. We are having conversations that touches the heart and uplifts the soul.
Nkosi yami.
Awushaya isingisi.
Waze washaya mfana
Shaya isingisi umfana.
No lokumgcoka kakhulu ngibona ukuthi at least because sine as an NGO.
Yeah, sure.
Umsebenzi wethu because we're not even making a profit.
Yeah.
So umsebenzi wethu kakhulu vele ngiloko ukuthi we're working for the people.
Exactly.
So sena show ukuthi at least kube ne impact lesayina ukuthi
Yeah.
noma ngathi uyaphila the problem. Sathi usekugcineni at least
Sikhona impact lesayifaka.
Because ngiloko that's the only reason why we're here.
Isibali. Yabona usakhulumisa lenzaba leyo yathi ikhonto lefikako manje ngizosabhlungu ngise.
Zabayani. Now uyabuthanda buhlungu.
Phela I'm a social worker by profession, you know. This thing it runs in the blood. Ungimi nje. Yathi Sibali angeke ngilisho lo, you know, the location lebesiye, you know, and it's something that we have been observing throughout the country. Wangisho nje ukuthi kodwa. Sesibonile ukhanze ukuthi amantombazana leyo bo form 2 form 3 sebajula nabo malume nina bo malume
Hayike.
ngiyabekisa uyakubona
No, but ngiyakubona
and it's so disturbing wena Musa uyakubona. So now I can imagine mina ukhanze ukuthi mina I have a younger sister loka form 4 noma loka form 5 noma nginemntwana nje lo intombazana nabo malume bayabasoma. What's your take?
Kulenzaba le.
It's so disturbing.
It's so disturbing. Qale ngalolu ukuthi it is disturbing and kungumkhuba lo kade kakhulu. But ngifuna ukucala ecaleni.
Okay, sure.
Ukuyibuka kwami anyway.
Angade
ngathi but I feel like the way lesikhule ngayo team.
Okay.
Siyakhula indlela abakhule ngayo abantu. So number 1 I think siqale ekudleni.
Okay.
The food lebese kudla sina sikhula wena obvious njengemincane ngisekhisine bese kuma oats kuma mova but njalo ukuthi ukukhula kwethu bekungafanani so labantwana nawo khanza ukuthi bakhula vele badla like maqanza cheese and everything so even nalokukhula kwabuyana ukuthi akusafana so lokwendekala kuphinze nale lifestyle ndawo ngena kule lifestyle ekugcineni. So now what happens is ukwanza ukuthi lombana nyalo sibashe bakhule nje umanje kanti mfana sina bo 14
years but
already kulo 14 wena ungafika uthini umfana bo 18
sina bo 18 years.
So ke ufuna ukukhumbule ukuthi nabo malume vela ngaphandle inkosi yami laba bomakade eyiwile nani
but
into le wrong.
I know but you cannot justify that.
I'm not justifying ngisafuna ukungena la kuyo ngokutshela lokuthi I think lokwendekako lo ngunakile lo yabona. So kwendeka kanjalo so ukhanza ukuthi abantwana sesibashe bakhule yabona. So basheshe bakhule nake lokwendeka lapho ukhanza ukuthi njengoba ngisho ukuthi sekunale lifestyle phindele sebayiphila ngabafana abanye thina yakhumbula ukuthi buphila kanjani bosina ukhula edube ekhaya ngoba ukuthi sina uphuma ekseni nga8 but actually singa 6 liket value ukuthi umbona ushaba ngasikho la
enyalo nani
so ngongise ngifuna ukuyiqala lekuqaleni
okay
and nyalo sokwanza ukuthi umbana so ukhulela ungaka uyaphuma umbana esikolweni uyoshaya yabo 9 ikhaya kude nje nekuthi yewena ukuphi uyayibona uyabona because kufuna kube swedibuta ukuthi umfana uwo because umfana uba ngumfana kuwe until azacethe isikolo aphume ukuthi hayi no ngalo senyamekela asase umfana uyabona.
Okay.
So nayi le problem lo mfana uyaphuma wenda kanje labantwana laba yabona ngangena ku substance abuse so khanza ukuthi now sebayaphuma bayalena uyadlana kunanabo futhi abantwana sebaphumele bele kanje nalendlela sebagcoka ngayo ke singene lapho indlela abagcoka ngayo nakhona ndawubiyele emuva kufuna ungakhumbula thina bosisi bethu
nabagcoka nje
bebagcoka bona bakhipha inyawo phela lokucasta but nyalo ukhipha inyawo so now unganaka the way la it's very revealing yabona. So ukwenza ukuthi afake ama bump shots uvela tibunyana lana uvele emabele kufihlwe nje la uyabona
konke lokhu kusebaleni
konke lana angisho ukuthi ku wrong noma right but I'm saying because of that yabona and madoda the way lakhe ke ngayo you know ukuthi kunebantu laba wrong labaningi la ngaphandle yabona. So ukhanza ngokuthi ke because of that now they are attracting labantu labo laba wrong lengikhuluma ngakho yabona because now uqhamuka nje ukwanje
umuntu uyakudlula nje ngaphandle
uyaqhamuka lo malume lapha uyasho ukuthi lona
ngaphila la
yabona because you are young yabo because you are young nakafika lo malume ufika uyakulutha yabona maybe takuniketa qoshaqoshele kwe-KFC lapha
Yeah.
kwe-refill yabona akhiphe kwa-50 nawo uva ngazi ukuthi lo malumelo yabona uthengele i-airtime uthengele ama-data kuze usemncane ukhazole into kanjani yabona so because of that ukwazi ukuthi labantwana ngizama ukuthi bangena kanjani labantwana kuyinto le yabona so kulula lo malume because wena nje uyaspana yabona kulula kucoshaqoshe mana ngini yabona kucoshaqoshela lapha because abantu amthenga time mthenga
ba happy umuntu wakhona ngale ngithi
uyabona awuthengi lokuningi kani kulaba yabo boss lapho ikhiphe linyawumba so ngala ngavele kuyadiphumela so nayo ke le problem lapha so nayo le problem yabona so ngikongithi isuke lapho ke le ndzaba yabona
okay
so ngikongithi because of that because of lento leyo utawukhanza ukuthi labantwana batekhanza ke sebangena la kulabo malume lapho kanjani yabona so ngeke and angifuni kube ngazi ukuthi ngidefender labo sidlane yabona but I'm saying nalabantwana kufanele basibambise
okay
actually batali nalabantwana
number 1 yeah vele bengifuna ukuthathe lapha
because ingabe ufuna tibute ukuthi okay umntwana mpunguphi ngalesikhathi 2 umntwana muphuma la endlini ugcoke kanjani uyabona ungeke nje umntwana uphuma ebuto yakhe project ngikhuluma ngayo ibhishot ebuto uskindi lemvu wechininyana noma kanjani
ubona konke
uphuma kube nalesibunywana bese kuba khona kungazo kuma tight nyana
wasasingafika la
hayi sasela khona kungasi kuma tight nyana ufisha na kanje iphuma yonke lemphahla yonke ivele
ay
yonke labaleni
hey no under 18
so I'm saying because of that
okay
ungumdala wena nangelo mali uyaphuma
la
nayo yonke labaleni hi daddy yeah I'm leaving now
mommy
yes we're leaving
check you later
yabona
check you later
uthini wena ezumntana yibona into le uyambona mfana la okay na kuba ngazuthi kuyibra
okay but then isase lapho kule ndaba ebazali I think mina the problem that we are seeing nowadays noma kule generation le uthola ukuthi I'm now a parent ngikuma early 20s
kwawena ucoka amabhamu
kwawothi sithini indaba uyabona but if you look back bazali bethu kudala umama wombona ukuthi yabona ngumama lo
but ke ngikongisiwe na dume
nyalo
ngikongisiwe mina yena dume asiphinze sibiyele emva because you can be a parent
okay
now you are in your early 20s or late 20s
I'm a child
man you are a child technically
now senginomunye umntwana futhi
yes but the problem now is ukhule kanjani kwawe yabona
okay
so angiyibeki kanjani
okay
the way mina lengikhule ngayo there are things I can never do in public yabona
okay
the way lengikhule ngayo mina ngikhule ekhaya ngakhulisanga elivangeli yabona ngikhula ekhaya
faka abamfundisi
so noma ngabe ngingathiwe empilweni yami ukhona maybe into leti bheke eceleni efuna
okay
I can never do that in public because I know ukuthi indlela engifundiseke ngayo I can never do that umflo omdzala I know umflo omdzala ngeke nje ngento ini ubone abantu labadzala ngimlana sengibambene yabona because the way lengakhulisanga so it goes back lenza bayo ukuthi even umhana the way lengikhulisa umhana nami is the way lengikhuliseke ngayo because ngibonile ukuthi le formula iyasebenza ngila namhla I'm working ngingaka anginamvana anginani because ngikhonile ukutiphatha kahle because of the way lengifundiseke ngayo yayibona so I'm saying nawe noma ngabe mina nangathola umvana nawe umfana ngindavusa ngaleyo ndlela leyo ngeke bese sengiyamyekela umfana umfana amaphume kanjalo nje ngimyekele yabona ngiyamtshela ukuthi sisino lokhu ngicha nodikela kadlamini uyabona I think ifuna lokho
mfana ngiyakuvuma
I think ifuna lokho mina
no power to that
no ushare insaba ye social media
okay
influencing labantwana
the
way they behave
okay
okay because
true
ngiyalithanza ipoint elifakile le social media social media it's true it will influence a lot of people because now especially with Instagram and TikTok because now those are the main like streams lokhanza ukuthi vele bantwana seba especially lo Instagram because that's where ngumbe abantu beve babuka that fake lifestyle batshela ukuthi so I'm saying nalapho it's okay lo mfana utayibuka le nto le yabona but now ngibonga ukuthi ayiphindze ibiyele la kumntali nekukhuliseka kwakho umntwana yabona nangu mona sothi bona into ongethi into lethu ufuna kudenta yabona una umntali because banifana kuningi labatakufuna kukwini but wena ezimntali
influence ngiyo lezo ufayela lo mntala agcoka ngale ndlela bamba
yabo igcoba kangaka
shots kudela umntali phela lawo le ikhulile kudela umntali esihlapho because kudela umntali because namu kudela umntali ngeke abe khona uyayibona le ngisho because noma ngabe ikhona lento uyayibona naye yabona but utawusho ukuthi yabona ngumani akube kusele kuningi lokukhona social media kunento leti kahle kunento leti wrong we understand so kufuna wena khona ukuthi mbanami social media ukanje there is a lot look right there is a lot look wrong but when show ukuthi most of them will choose out not let it right uyayiva ngisho lo mama uyamfundzisa ukuthi now mina ngifuna ukuthatha kulo social media ngeke wena ukuthi umbona awungitshele wena usho umfana uyambona uphuma vele
asibambe la guys hey yashuba namhla guys please don't forget to like to share to guys please don't forget this is your number 1 podcast brought to you by Natic in the Shiselweni region. Don't forget to like, to share, and also to subscribe. There's a comment section there. Please, sicela ukuzwa unomizwa wakho ukuthi uthini wena ngale ndaba le. And also siyaxolisa Nkosi yami. Ngizwa sokune voice leqhamuka wona in the back door. Unghost wethu ningamangali Nkosi yami. Is our ghost ula. Siphethe yena namhlanje siamile namuhla. Niyambona mos no DJ namhlanje uphawile namhlanje. Imust
manje ukuzivula vile
sokuyashisa kanye uyabona azokuphelela ngama sadana decorate lana
so everything man mthobisi uzakhuluma yona lenzaba ye social media uthi wena mthobisi wena ngekwakho kubuka wena uvathi nginteka kanjani because ngeke umana wakho wakho mphana wena lucky you do have umana nombatana ukuthi lena ungamike umana wakho aphuma tibona udivele ebaleni because if you understand ukuthi nanyalo I'm not saying if not justify a rape
okay
noma yona ngabuya maybe a rape do you understand the comments that awuba khona
bekaqoka kanjani okay
uyabona so nawe ungamfaka umfana ku position utakwanza ukuthi leyo position le itaphenzeni ta affected lo mfana ugcine ngayibala so make sure ukuthi umfana nakaphuma because kukhona kucuka because yabona ifashion mfowethu ifashion yabona fashion nje wena ungagcoka ugcoke kahle and ugcoke kahle man ube uyabona ubonakala lesicama eshem angisho mina ukuthi banifana bese bafaka emadress bayahusha noma yini agcoke kahle but hayi ugcoka into
okay but now unasibali we are now living in the digital era right njoba issue ghost yet lana yabo there's a lot that is happening on social media platforms a lot yakubona and le speed sakhona manje mawuthi uyasibuka mfethu angu highway 120 yakubona angibekisene nje umntwana lomncane grade 0 grade 1 uhlala efonini toti and mawuthi uyabuka lapho yilo mntwana into la ibhekako and for me as a parent ukuthi ngimlandelele ukuthi ekuse ubukani ukukhuni yakubona so now yes okay
usifolani
discuss okay
angibekise manje
umfana
akahlali nami
sure
which means mawakhe ngumele influence more than mina
okay
nangabe lo mawakhe angilethoko lesikhuluma ukuthi sengidala amabhamsho utamfundisa umfana
akuze
ngiyasebenza ngaba was the nice size
yes
sidanjani
iplungu leyo mthobisi iplungu because iplungu leyo mthobisi because I feel like it goes back kulenzaba yalo ukuthi sengidawukhosha kancane
okay
lokho ukuthi ufuna ukuthatha nalokuthi kahle vele nabasifundisa labadala ngivile nangisho ukuthi mina still don't umfana
sure
ibuyela kuloko ukuthi
okay
ungabi nemphana that's why bathi bayingena ngeBhayibheli abantu abadala ngoba bayalo seBhayibheli yakhona lokuthi yabo lokuthi lokuba nemphana edli ngiyo lethi lawa nje sengilama yes ngongithi ibhlungu because right now sekunana inkinga yokuthi ukhanza ukuthi umntwana maybe vele sonalomunye futhi babe nakhona sokhanza ukuthi naye unale mfundiso that awusakhona nalo mbona ngokumfundisa yabona ngongithi ibhlungana le yabona but njengoba ngisho ukuthi I think nalapho seyila kuwe ukuthi ngabe yini imizamo lo yendile yabona because ekugcineni kufanele nawe ukuthi umntwana ukufuna noma bekwendekalani usho ukuthi yabona ngazama mina yabona gokwami ngelibhayibheli every time asho wathi yabona abantu abami ngiyalo noma ngabe kwendekalani igazi lenu alisayobuswa kimi yabona ukhulumela ukuthi yena wayifaka lemfundiso ukuthi ke mina sengiyaphambuka sengiyokhonda lokunye noma sengiphila impilo
yena she played her part
le ngola instill ala kimi yabona so I'm saying nakhona seliphuma phumeni I'm saying nakhona kulenzaba lena yini imizamo lo yendako fine awusahlali naye lo mfana but of course umfana ko maybe uyakhona kubona tithombo ubona ini do you talk nalo mfana maybe over the phone uyahamba
unjani yakubona
yebo sisi you know ukuthi did uyakuthanda because sometimes nalento yokuthi bantwana beve ngazi ukuthi especially bantwana bemantombazana bathabe amantombazana bana lento ukuthi bavana kakhulu nabo babe babo umfana womfana ufana kakhulu namakho yabona so wena as a dad you need to make sure ukuthi lo mfana loyo knows ukuthi athi i-time aliyangincane
sure
ene lo mfana loyo once what futhi nje i-time nalisi lisho njalo so lo mfana i-discipline sometimes ayikufuneki isizibe physical yabona
ufuna umtshele lo muntu befair sese lokho akwenziwa intombazana igqoka kanje ukhuluma
phezulu nalo maka wakhe ukuthi move lenye plan because uzawusibisa
one of the
sure okay sure
so you have to excite all the
yes ubekhona
it possible
uyabona kwayena noma kwalomntwana uyakhona kumtshela naye ukuthi please
qoka kahle na uyiba discipline
noma ngabe wena ufuna kwendani umtsala wena it's okay please wami kumntwana please we understand wena la ngabe ufuna kwenda lokhu ugcoka ini
but still akagqokele ekhashana
ngiyangisho but
kunento namusa bathi social learning umntwana into uyayibuka ayifundi uyakubona mangabona uma kwakhe phuma vele ufaka isigcebo
noyuva ngasho
uzokuthi hayi no kuyaphilela
njengoba bisi
akunabungozi kuyaphilela but mase uyayibukisisa lento
uyabona ukuthi uyabona kuhambe
so wena kwathi uadvise wena to the young generation to the young adults noma ngithi bomama labasho noma to the young parents regarding the issue le yebo sengabe ngumzali but what you advise
yami itakukhwesha kancane because ngimlo msha ngeke bayithanze bona labashali ila kasini asengikele lokuthanza lelicasi yabona because ilapho lengi
no what
nangabe lelicasi uyabona uzivele cha siyalisebenzisa yabona at least make sure ukuthi you work on yabona because ngingaleta wendeka vele nawusona uqhubeka nalobhozi
obvious
nawuqhubeka nalobhozi utamthola umva and ukwenza ukuthi the person lo benemana naye wena Thokozana it's not the person lo ngahlala naye because it's not the person because kahle someone lo engage naye in sex it's supposed to be someone without umshadi yabona so if that person ukwenza ukuthi now you are engaging with someone and then uyamitha lo muntu lo ekugcineni awusakhona ukuhlala naye tawendika ke lenkinga leke so ukhanza ukuthi sona mfana lena nawe solena nawe so uyabona ukuthi
akusina
muntu vele la sokukhulu nalo ukuthi sota ukhona njani nalabantwana ngenyalo kubafundisa lo nana usakhona kuba kuleli time because uyabona nawe la khaya yonke into khona kuyibona
ufuna uyibuke kahle okay nangu umntana
noma yabona ukukhule ekhaya leli stable
unamama unababa nibantwana
uyathi kusila khaya kunetitulo uyathi usivimile kulo sofa lo nalo time akho asihlali ku nakusika time ethi nawe
singakawe
kusibhekathi uyasuka sengisi lapho
ayina sofa mina ithama wathi ngesikhathi khanze ukuthi kwafika le time nje kuphela kushintsha le channel
yabona
sokubukela ku Fast 24 labo SABC1 bo SuperSport
mina nje khumbula mkhulu wami bo generation inini bekuvele kuthiwa yini lefunza bona so I think
bekuyabuse
yabona akona fana letikole but sitawubuyela but anyway ngi-advice yami ilapho ukuthi I think ilabo uqale leli kasi eli nebantu laba bona sokhanza ukuthi ekugcineni vele sodaba labantu labakanje two no ukuthi batali kwanza ukuthi because batali vele nje wabe kasho mthweni sikhona batali lokhanza ukuthi umntwana umbona nje wathi ukuthi umniketile imali khona malume lo mlanzayo wamphinza umbuyise like kude lokwathi wale impilo yalomntwana like kude lo mfana nje ngoba usho uhlala acingweni 24/7 ukhatheni lo mfana lo obvious into la ayifunzayo ukuthi ayifunza lapha because kude la kufunza konke ufundiswa yini nginalithina yabo so ngisho ukuthi nalo ukuthi two umntali na umntali unethi umfana wakho licingo umfana na umnikete especially nakamncane kuna nathi indvo nathi lesethi khona tincingo setahlanipha kakhulu ama smartphone uyakhona ukuthi uvale tonke into yethu vala lapho YouTube uvale umfana omncane
afuna yena lo YouTube
ngile ngisho yabo so make sure ukuthi lo mfana le nto la yenda la phone into le productive yabona hayi lo busy umbuke because umfana kamncane lo mfana vele lokho umfana wena dube ufana nemshini yabona I-computer computer was the way lesebenza ngayo lokho wena lokufaka la kiyo kulo mshini ngilokho lokutakhipha so lo mfana nakakhula vele wakhula nganako ngilokho lokutagcina lokho lokutama influencer la phone ngikho la tagcina
but bosophenze kuthi hayi ninesikhathi nakhula ngaso kudala bekuza amafoni vumelana abantwana bangena ku digital space
vele lo mfana but uyathini ukuthi ubuka
the question is when's the right time
exactly
yes because nowadays mfana lona 5 so
uyabona una TikTok account 5 years when done ya TikTok there's a lot ka TikTok uyabona kuningi lokugcolile
so nithini nini nithi abantwana singabaniki lamafoni
asisho njalo
nithini there's a right age
number 1 there's a right age 2 yini kuleyo right age la
singala phone
uyayibona
okay
yes lento leyifana nani ifana nokuba ne wifi endlini yabona le wifi lo mfana ukuthi yini lela accessable kule wifi yabona unemfana nyalo maybe so teenage umneti wifi yabona kwephoza kubhizi ngale kubukela bona ngibo piano hub kubukela ko piano hub clear browser uyabona lo mfana lento la busy awathi so busy ngayo yayibona because siyasha even the internet
okay
uyathi mthobi zetinto leti you can even check ukuthi umbona ko ini kanjani njanyana and then uhlala mbona nikhulumisa
ukuthi no sisi
logo kwazi la parenting kakhulu ngiyakutshela
isala lapho
because nawunganaka yabona ngoma 2000 nawungakunaka impumbe ema 2000 because of this new parenting style ukuthi ayihamba uyohlala lapha ekhoneni go upstairs yabona because of that parenting system that's why now we have bantu la ngephandle ukwazi umfana ana 13
but manje
na una 13 so ubitole maphoyisa 13 Iba bathi nesikole ekhaya sibantu ubena 21 uyathi ukuthi time uyayibona nini old yayibona nini labantwana so ubitole maphoyisa so shaye makwakhe ibo bathine wawusina uthi hayi mama kuthi ufuna kumshaya ndawo uyakomalume
ulonamwe
uyakomalume awunawushayo uyayibona nini so ngivula of the parenting style seyikhona nyona I think that's why labantwana nawuhamba la dolobheni hawo mfana sekuhle uyabona nyelo sobheke eDuty
phela nyalo bathi sebe namalungelo phela nyalo sinema rights
I think you are the right person to because rights they go together with
responsibilities
so this is your right but what's your responsibility
wena njengomntwana
when I think you are the right person longakhona ukuchaza kahle
vele ilahleka lapho namuso
because everyone unalungelo yabona
but lelungelo hamba nalomsebenzi
I have lilungelo le freedom of speech.
Yeah.
But that doesn't mean sendahamba
Uhamba
ukhuluma
ukhuluma
noma
noma
ngabe
yini.
yini yabona.
Yeah.
I-freedom of speech yami kufuna
Yeah.
phinze emva kwaloko phinze kube nema-manners phinze kube
Yeah.
nalokuthi okay lokhu ngeke ngimane ukusho la ngakusho kuphi kuphi ayibale ngoba
No, but you wanna teacher, I think thina vele as mapara we don't have time.
exactly.
You know, for us to actually sit down with our kids, sikhulume nabo ukuthi lana mntwana impilo ihamba lana ihamba la. Sino nje awu. Ayisekuze isikhathi man. Yini space?
Naloku silama weekend dube because ama weekend ngola la kahle
Hey manje awu.
Manje ama weekend because nasini wacetha kahle vele yabona ama weekend yonke nile khambeni bantwana baselena abantu la maka I think if it's sign lapho lokuthi batali nasenibazala dube ama weekend sele niwayeke yabona because we are judging phela sondweni yonke manje umbona nini ngalo wani na ubuya Monday.
Yeah, no, that's true. We need to spend quality time.
I think it's a sign up.
Yeah. Oh, okay.
What is the right age?
Oh, okay, sure. Okay.
What's the right age?
Yeah, I mean, I think because anginayo nalombala so
Okay, sure.
kakhulu for me yabo.
Okay.
But njengoba ngisho ukuthi I think umfana lomncane tu yabona. Umfana lo se crash or lo se ka grade 1 yabona. Ngingasho ukuthi nanganawo ukuthi bantwana babukela yabo khokhomelelo babukela nini kuyaba improve la singisi. So ngeke simasende ngasethe incwadi yabona. Ba improve la singisini kuyabahlanishaniphisa wabona yabona. So ngingathi lo mfana it's good nakamncane. At least nangabe lelicingo analo.
Okay.
Or umniketa lelicingo. Uyamonitor
lo mntwana. Okay.
Lokusho ukuthi maybe lo mfana maybe lento uyenda ukhona. Uyabona.
Okay.
So ngeke ngisho ukuthi the right age.
Vile masekana 7 years
noma but nje ngokuthi la kuqaleni at least monitor lokuthi vele ngimbukelisa
khokhomelelo. Yeah.
Vele ngimendisa nawo because even icingo kufanele laptop inabo guest inawo yini yabo. Licingo liyakhona ukuthi ufake kids what lokuthi
Yeah, sure. Yeah.
libe kids friendly yabona.
Okay.
Lo mbana ngeke akhona ngena ku WhatsApp ngeke angene ku YouTube ngeke angene bo yabona. Konke la khona kwenda nginako lo msethele kona la kuphela yabona. So ngibangisi la kuqala is just monitoring lokuthi ayabona. And then nasekuqalile so waka grade bani
Sengathi uyahlakahlakanipha.
Uyahlakahlakanipha yabona. So uyafuna kusebenzisa labo group lapho ufuna kusesha ini yabona.
Uyafundisa ke wena.
Nakhona njengoba basho ukuthi kukhona into ukuthi you can check le browser history whatever in yabona. Because nalomfana akafuneki bese sowuvangaza ukuthi so uhletulana wena yabona lento le mbekele naye at least ukhona check
ukuthi
hayi lana ama sister banenkingi because hey batali ngakutshela nabake babone ama browser history bani bababo nabake babone ama browser history bani bababo bangamanje ngiyakutshela
eziyakha
umntwana abhaleke ukuthi how to kill yourself uyayibala lento le but you went award ezimntana ngani lomfana
how to approach a girl
you don't know wena so I think ilapho kahle kahle ngeke ngisho usisikhathi lesi writing sini but le monitoring I think
le monitoring because wena musa
but now
but no mina sengibonile ukuthi ngifuna kubekisa nje ngintwana yami bonona sengamhlanzi sho 2 years but khokhomeloni so mangimvulela ngiyamonitor ngimnike nje ngibona ukuthi ubukela khokhomeloni. But then there's this other time. La ngamnika le phone ngamiyekela wahlala lapha. Ngathi mangithi ngiyochecka lapha. Ngikwazi ukungenela ka WhatsApp. Yena akaboni ukuthi type in but so typela abantu engagcina ukukhuluma nabo kadzeni. Ngasho ngathi malusathi. So uyabona lento ukuthi vele njoba usho namuhla ukuthi close monitoring. Funa lo mntwana vele
ngiwoza ngizabona nje lo mfana if le licingo umniketile maybe uhleti lapha wendele into leyo ukuthi maybe ufake kule mood
yebantwana
noma ngabe ukhavata ini kude la kude la khona lokutawubani into kanjalo ayibona into le.
Okay.
I think
what that into le
now sad.
There's no one size fits all.
Okay. Yeah.
Ngamanye person uhlala kakhulu social media.
Okay.
Nema-documentaries
okay, sure.
There was this one documentary that I booked about study insurance about smartphones. Abafana to that say very affect ngale emaveni asadevelop
Yeah.
Sinencingo sisafika la kithi.
nganxa lenza ama-smartphones bahamba ne-concentration span yabo eklasini nje basakhona i-concentrate because TikTok
So
Ngoba
ujoyine
TikTok,
na.
i-concentration span yabo the videos
Yeah, sure.
so abantwana such that ngisho balele khona nje le video le ngayibona lo mnye alele but
Izihambisa lesana.
Ayabuke nje, umbukisa nje mncane.
About 2000. What about 2000?
ngiyavuma lenza baye kumonitor.
Yeah, you need to monitor. Close monitoring. Yeah.
La nangenda i-research ukuthi
Oh, okay.
what would be the proper age.
Yeah, sure.
Impendulo ngiyifuna ukuthi while there's no one size fits all.
Okay.
Njengaba asho many experts suggest waiting until at least 13 years old.
So a teenager lapho.
Hey!
So ngathi manje sila before lo 13
Monitoring.
Oh, before the 13, close monitoring.
monitor ubuke ukuthi vele ubukela which content is beneficial to the
Yeah.
child or whatnot.
Yeah.
Ungamniki le phone ihlale kuyo
Yeah.
yabona kukhona nama time frames ukuthi from this time to this time ngiyanike before wenda nokuba wenda uphinze ngayithatha.
Hey, manje
Sakhuluma nje
abantwana
lenza bayakho ye-research mthobisi le ukuthi bathi ku-affecta le concentration span.
Yeah.
Lokunye phinze nami nje it's something lengangayibona through labo research. Sina research house namthi. So but even like their social skills bese sekuyaba affect kwanza ukuthi lo mntwana nyalo sekulukhuni nje to even socialize umbona noma ngabuhle tini kubantu lana senze emakhayeni umana akakhoni ngisho socially awkward nje because lo mntwana yonke into yena wathi uthi
hey nama sakubeni yami research nawe ngiyawusaya
ngiyamsebenze kahle
nawe ngiyawusaya
yabona
yeah no cha khona kuye kusile mthombo
yabona namhla at least lokuthi sibe ngosiyami na vet check at least kuhamba
Yeah,
ngoba
hamba kahle.
into lebongenda yona
Hayi.
bizaye mange
hayi
hayi yabona
bese ngimangena ukuthi uyivula nini sithi kumbe seyi-take away sengumphako lokhu kwala baba nathi uqede la usocabanga ipalishi lakho lishiye lapho
ndahle misimale
Except Mafethu, thanks so much for watching. This is your #1 podcast, the Blue Heart Podcast. Nyambona mos uyarepresenta namhlanje the Blue Heart Podcast. Inhliziyo le blue. Please don't forget to like, to share and also to subscribe. Please. Yoba sesivala kanjena comment section mangabe mhlawumbe khona ufisa ukufaka regarding le issue besifaka namhlanje, please drop it out. Noma mangabe mhlawumbe there's a topic that you want us to discuss, please take that opportunity usibhalele lapho. From your host today, ngosiyami sivala lapho DJ.
For me I think kungaba ukuthi nje maybe even nalo ukuthi because we are i-podcast leseseyintsha.
Yeah, sure.
Maybe yini labeva ngazi ukuthi maybe we can improve.
Okay, sure.
Yeah, lawo ma comments I think nanas they can help us grow. Uyabona ukhanze ukuthi nanas maybe now one of my podcast langanani langwana yabona. So I think nami ngibonga le opportunity. Ngosiyami yaso. Kubonga nje le opportunity. Lekungita nawe madalo namhlanje. Siyabonga.